What's the meaning of conductress? Conductress. Conductress.
Conductress. Conductress. Conductress is a term used to refer to a female conductor, particularly in the context of transportation such as buses, trams or trains. The role of a conductress involves ensuring the smooth and safe operation of the vehicle, collecting fares from passengers, and answering any questions they may have. Historically, conductresses were seen as trailblazers for women's rights and equality, breaking down gender barriers and challenging societal norms. Today, the term is less commonly used as more gender-neutral language is preferred in many workplaces.